XRP has seen a wave of positive news lately, from the launch of ETFs and Ripple's major acquisitions to signs of a legal resolution with the SEC. Yet oddly enough, its price has stayed flat, hovering between $2 and $2.50 since February 2025. According to Jake Claver, managing director at Digital Ascension Group, this isn't due to a lack of market interest or weak fundamentals. He points to one main reason: dark pools. Dark pools are private trading platforms designed for large transactions that don't directly impact public market prices. Claver explains that if an institution were to buy $500 million worth of XRP in the open market, the price would spike immediately. Retail investors would rush in, and volatility would soar. Dark pools avoid all that. Dark pools allow large transactions to be executed efficiently without creating visible by pressure, Claver said in a recent thread on X. Because of this, he explains, the XRP price appears stagnant on the surface while massive accumulation is happening behind the scenes. He compares the current situation to a pressure cooker. When the supply in dark pools dries up and institutions are forced to move to public exchanges, the resulting buy pressure could send XRP soaring. According to Claver, this could push XRP's price up 2, 3, even 5 times in a short period. Claver also notes that major players like hedge funds, family offices, and even governments are building positions via dark pools. He says platforms like Coinbase and Kraken already offer dark pool services to high-capacity clients, and decentralized versions are beginning to emerge. Retail investors often misunderstand this dynamic. Many assume the market is quiet, but Claver says institutions are silently draining the supply from public markets. This may explain why short bursts, like the 34% surge to $3 in March or the 14% rise in early April, failed to break key resistance levels. Meanwhile, Ripple continues to build momentum. Its $1.25 billion acquisition of Hidden Road opens the door to institutional finance. Legally, Ripple and the SEC have agreed to end their appeals process, signaling a near resolution. In addition, the launch of a spot XRP ETF in Brazil and a leveraged version in the U.S. shows growing institutional interest. Yet despite all of this, XRP still trades at $2.27. The real question now is this the calm before a major storm?